Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to transfer money from a Forex card to a Cheese bank account. Let's get started. Start by checking the available balance on your Forex card. Use the Forex card's mobile app or contact customer care to confirm how much is left on your card. Next, check the transfer fees and exchange rates. This can vary, and some providers may charge a percentage of the transfer or a flat fee. Look for the best rates to save money. Now, initiate the transfer request. You can do this online through the Forex card provider's app or website, or call their customer care. Provide your card details like the number, CBB, and expiration date, and specify the amount to transfer. Now enter your Chase account information including the account number, account holder name, and IFSC code. Double check everything before submitting. Confirm the transfer by entering the OTP sent to your registered email or phone. Once confirmed, you will receive a notification with the estimate transfer time. Transfers usually take a few hours to a few days. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.